welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you via a 2-minute art tip. And today I have something especially cool to discuss. You need to know about this. I'm here to tell you. So perk up. Listen, you are missing out if you haven't gone ahead and spent a couple of bucks on some Molotow Liquid Chrome pens. Now this is a paint pen. It's opaque, but it is the most fabulous, unbelievable, just chrome shiny silver marker ever. I have yet to find something that it won't cover. You don't have bleed through when you go over other kinds of media. It is so fun, and it comes in 3 different widths. Very, very small. I think it's a 1 millimeter, a 2, and a 4. But fantastic. And with the holidays coming up, and you're doing greeting cards, and maybe you're doing some crafty stuff, these are so fun, and they last a really, really long time, as long as you put the cap back on when you're done and stuff like that. I brought a piece to show you, like I did a little demo one on some Mytins colored cardstock and stuff. But you can see that the sheen on this is just amazing. The coverage is clean. You're not having to go back over your line work again and darken it up and stuff. Clean, consistent, so much fun for just a couple of bucks. Check out the Molotow Liquid Chrome pens. They are so cool. You're gonna love it. We know you're gonna enjoy.